a bid to cut import dependency, the government is considering fiscal aid for local production. Sources have told CNBC-TV18 that the government's plans will aim to de-risk imports of products facing high dependence on certain geographies. Abhhimanyu Sharma joins us now with more. Abhhimanyu, what are your sources telling you?
As part of its continuing endeavour to curb any rise in mercantile trade deficit, which has widened in the current financial year, the government is mulling several Sops and incentives for domestic production of engineering goods, consumer goods and several other products which continue to be imported. Also, higher import duties are also being mulled as part of a larger plan which may be effected by the government as part of a budgetary proposal in the next calendar year. It remains to be seen how early the plan is going to see the light of the day. Government sources have indicated that the plan is likely to support domestic production and hike import duties on certain goods in the upcoming budget. And the aim is to support domestic production and also to de-risk overall imports, particularly from a single source geography. Several items have already been identified across several segments, which includes over 100 items like engineering goods, steel products, machinery, consumer goods, and speaking about specific items, the umbrellas, spectacles and agricultural machinery have been identified as items which still have a lot of import dependence, which the government is aiming to curb. Now, as part of the larger plan, the government is planning to incentivize local production of these items to overall reduce the amount of trade deficit as far as merchandise trade is concerned, and an increase in local production would also mean more employment and more domestic value addition. So the government is looking at such a budgetary proposal which may see the light of the day. It remains to be seen how early the plan is going to be finalized by the government.
Right. Thank you, Abhhimanyu, for that. And that